Hello, this is a video quick setup guide for the Solartron Metrology AGM-A air gauge amplifier. When you first turn it on, you will see that it says not mastered. Let's begin with mastering. All of this can be done with the keypad here and the display. For the purpose of this setup guide, we do not have an air system set up, so we will just be scrolling through the menu selections on the device. We begin with the center selection key. We've entered the main menu. Then we can scroll up and down through the selections. We will go to mastering. Begin again with the center selection key. Continue with that key. Now we would place the air tooling into the first master. I like to begin with the larger max master item. Continue with the select key. Here we would actually enter the dimensions of the master. We will choose 10 millimeters in this case. We will continue with the center key. Here we would take a screwdriver to adjust the needle valve to adjust the air pressure where we would like to see it. We would continue with the center key again. We would now enter the min master value. In this case, we will say 9 millimeters. Scroll up to the number 9 with the up arrow. We will continue with the center select key. And at this point, we would continue again, and this will set the range, the mastering range of the air gauge amplifier. We have completed mastering. Let's go back into the main menu with the center key again, and we'll go to measurement, the first selection. This allows us to select unit of measure. We'll hit that key again. Here we can scroll through the selections of millimeter, inch, and mils. We'll settle on millimeters. We can back out again to the main menu. We'll scroll up. Actually, we'll move over one more time there. We're back in the main menu. We'll scroll up to the display. Here, we can choose to show the pressure, in this case, PSI. And we'll go here. Let's see, we'll select it this way. We can indicate that it is now selected. We'll continue. We're going to back out again to the main menu. We'll continue scrolling past mastering. We'll move to limits. This is where we would set the limits to show red and green indications whether the part is in and out of limits. We're going to set the high limit. We had previously set the max master to 10 millimeters. We'll set that as our high limit. Enter. We're going to scroll up to the low limit. We had previously set that the min master to 9. We'll set our low limit to 9 millimeters. This sets the range to view the part in, and where we will see red and green indications on the main screen. If we back out to the main menu, again, we see limits, mastering, display, and measurement. We have completed the setup of the AGM-A air gauge amplifier. Thank you. And here we can see that the measurement will be displayed, and here we see that the pressure will be displayed. Thank you.